Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add an Excel file to PowerPoint presentation. So what you have to do, right over here we have few settings, so few options. Now where you have to go, you have few options. Now where you can go is to go to insert here, and here we have a couple of options, but we have this object. Embedded objects are documents or other files you have inserted into this document. So we can click on here and now create from file, browse, and here I'm gonna go to downloads, and here I'm gonna select this book one, this Excel file, and now I'm gonna click OK. And now I have this PowerPoint document. I'm gonna click on this so I can reset the layout, home actually, layout, blank. Now I'm gonna double click here and we enter the preview and Excel. Now we can still edit here, move this exactly where we want. We can select, edit this PowerPoint, and if you double click outside of that, we can go back to PowerPoint. And here, as you can see, you can really scale this and place this the way you want. You can click on design if it can help you some ideas, but it can't apparently. And here you can add some colors. You can increase, you can right click on this, format shape, and highlight this and use the arrows up and down so you can increase this width. And also you can add solid file, but this you can change to a different color, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna add a different file. I'm gonna go back to insert, the object, create from file, browse, and I'm gonna go to download here in download, and I'm going to grab this one now, and I'm going to click on OK. Now select this one, delete, because I have this new file from Excel. Double click here, I can enter in this Excel preview where I can edit here a bunch of stuff, and it's really awesome because you can work inside Excel even if you are in PowerPoint. So if you're now you worked, you added some stuff here, you can also zoom in from here if you want to change something and you need to see all the details. You can zoom in. Now if we tab outside, we click outside of that, we can leave the Excel, and now we have this. Of course, now we can go object format, we can add some shadow. Actually we can't add shadow, sorry, but we can add some solid line. We can highlight this, increase, add some solid line or some background or a solid fill. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.